This is a brief instructional video regarding the self-disinfecting kits which are now available throughout the UWSP campus. These kits will be available in all occupied classrooms and computer labs. By utilizing these kits each time we occupy a learning space, we are all taking a proactive step toward keeping each other healthy. In some rooms, you will see a kit with a spray bottle of Oxiver TB disinfectant, a product on the CDC list of recommended disinfectants to curb the spread of coronavirus. In some rooms, you may see disinfecting wipes you can use to clean your personal space. What should I be disinfecting with this kit in my classroom? Disinfecting horizontal surfaces like desktops, chair arms, shared tools, and other frequently touched surfaces in your individual classroom space will help to stop the spread of germs. Please allow the surface to remain wet for a minimum of 1 minute prior to use. In computer labs, you will find antibacterial wipes specifically made to wipe down electronic equipment. What should I be disinfecting with this kit in my computer lab? Remove a disinfecting wipe from the provided dispenser. Wipe down the mouse, keyboard, desktop, and chair. Discard the wipe in the trash. Wait 3 minutes for the disinfectant to kill all viruses. Please contact the primary building contact for any supply needs or questions you may have. Thank you.